Hey beauties, welcome back to my page. You're here with your girl Chambre, and I'm here with another fire DIY. I'm so excited to share with you guys because just look, this thing is a beauty. Anyways, I don't like long intros, so you already know what to do. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now to see more videos just like this. So to start, of course, you're going to need your fabric. I purchased 1/2 meter for each pattern. I wanted to also show you that it is a two-way stretch, so it does have that stretch feel to it. Another thing I wanted you to see is it has like this nice suede top to it. Like, it's very soft. I just love it. It's so nice. Okay, so now to begin, you want to lay each pattern on top of each other, right sides facing each other. This is going to be for the front half of the shirt. So what I did is I laid a regular t-shirt down, and then I grabbed a bodysuit that I have to trace out the bottom of the bodysuit. So I flipped up the t-shirt, and then the bottom of the bodysuit, that's what I used to cut out the bottom half of my pattern. So you'll see here. I'm showing you here, I cut out an extra inch for my seam allowance. I didn't want the fabric to shift while I was cutting, so I pinned the fabrics together. Again, cut out an extra inch for your seam allowance. So there's the front pattern. Now I have 2 pieces for the front, and I'm going to do the exact same thing for the back. I'm just going to flip it over so it's the opposite, and those 2 pieces will be for the back. You're doing the exact same thing that you did for the front, but this time you have your pattern to trace or to cut around, sorry. Okay, so now you should have, of course, 2 pieces of each. So you just want to match the fronts together and then match the backs together. So this is going to be the center front. I lined it up and I pinned it together, and then I sewed straight down the middle. Whatever 2 colors you decide to use for the 2 front pieces, use the darker of the 2 for the contrasting thread color. So I use green for mine. Pinned my 2 front pieces together. Now I'm going to go ahead and pin my 2 back pieces together. I'm going to take that to my sewing machine and just do a straight stitch down the middle. When you're done, here's what it should look like. So go now and pin your 2 shoulders together, and then you're going to pin the 2 sides together, leaving, of course, the opening of the legs open. And I'll show you what to do next with the bottom of the bodysuit. For mine as well, I pinned the 2 center stitches together just so it's lined up and even. And I didn't like that my neck hole, of course, it was way too small, so I cut it a bit wider. Now everything's sewn together, we're going to fix the bottom. So I sewed 2 snap fasteners to the crotch, one on both sides. I did buy this at the fabric store as well, and it cost me $2.69. So I'm not going to actually do a full tutorial just because it's going to take up too much time. If you do want to see a tutorial on it, leave a comment in the comment section below and we'll get to it. But you're pretty much done. So after that, I just went and hemmed the raw edges, and yeah, boom, your bodysuit is finished. Clean it up, cut away any strays, and there you have it. So there you have it. Here's what it looks like, the finished product. I feel like it's just so sexy. You can dress it up, dress it down. I liked it so much, I even made it in a turtleneck version. If you want to see a tutorial for that, again, comment section below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. Till the next video, bye.